In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of an invisible mouse cursor in Roblox. This is a common problem that can interrupt your gaming experience, but don't worry, we're going to explore a few simple solutions that you can try right from the comfort of your own home. So let's get started and see if we can get your cursor back on track. First, one of the easiest things you can do is to try going full screen in Roblox. Sometimes, toggling between windowed mode and full screen can resolve graphical glitches like an invisible cursor. To do this, you just need to press the F11 key on your keyboard. This key command is a built-in shortcut on Windows computers to switch between these two modes. Once you've pressed F11, check to see if your cursor reappears within the game. Sometimes, it's just a matter of refreshing the way the display operates, and this simple action can bring your cursor back into view. If the problem persists, we might need to look at reinstalling Roblox. Occasionally, corrupted files during installation can cause issues. To start this process, you'll need to access Add or Remove Programs from your computer's system settings. This can usually be found by typing the phrase into the search bar on your computer. Once you've located it, open the feature and search for Roblox in the list of installed programs. Click on it, and you'll find the option to uninstall. Follow the prompts to remove it from your system. Once Roblox is uninstalled, restart your computer to ensure that all changes take effect properly. After rebooting, head over to the official Roblox website and download the latest version of the application. Installing a fresh copy may resolve issues by replacing any problematic files that were affecting your cursor visibility. Now, if you've tried going full screen and reinstalling Roblox but still don't see your cursor, it's time to consider restarting your computer. Sometimes, a simple reboot can fix underlying software glitches that could be the root cause of your issue. By restarting, your operating system refreshes its operations and resources, which might just be what you need to see your cursor again. And there you have it, a few straightforward solutions to help you fix an invisible mouse cursor in Roblox. Hopefully, by following these steps, you were able to resolve the issue and get back to enjoying your games without a hitch. If for some reason these steps didn't work, consider reaching out to Roblox's support for more specific guidance that might be related to your unique system setup. Thanks for tuning in, and happy gaming.